Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the E-mini, and what we're seeing is a continuation of the strength, right? We talked about this the other day. Friday, holiday session, Tuesday, extending Wednesday, so all the way up from 1802, and we've come up into the area of the monthly pivot at 1925.70. Acted as a magnet yesterday. Been trading above and below it in the overnight session. We've traded as high as 33.5. They took it all the way back down to 17, back up to new highs. So a lot of people are looking at 1940. We're coming now right into the 50-day exponential moving average. It has a chance to be resistance. What I'm going to be looking at today is, can the monthly pivot be support? If the monthly pivot can be support, then the bulls have an opportunity to continue to grind it higher. 4 straight up days in a row. You're looking for a 5th day. I mean, some consolidation up here would make a little more sense, whether you're a bull or a bear. Either consolidating for a move higher or beginning the process of kind of, getting a little bit tired. What the bulls don't want to do is go straight up to 1940 and fail. Okay. If I had woke up this morning and found that we had made a high up at 39 and change, I would be singing a tune of, that's an area you can really lean on for a short because everybody's looking at 1940. Now, as we discussed the other morning, if 1940 can't hold it in, then you start looking. You've got the upper band at 45.55. Then you've got the 100-day and the 200-day. To go straight up from here to the 200-day exponential moving average is a pretty rare bird. I mean, I was talking to Jack from the Art of Chart and Channels and Patterns, who trades with us in the room every day. We were talking about this yesterday. I mean, that kind of a move would be reminiscent of October of 2014, and neither of us is really convinced that it has the fuel to do that. Although back in October of 2014, neither us nor anybody else was convinced it had the fuel to do that either, and that's exactly what we did, and we rode the long up as far as we could back then. I'm still long 84. Nothing has happened to convince that there's a need to jump out of the longs. Now, if we get a breakdown from the monthly pivot and you see the monthly pivot consistently go resistance and you build lower highs from there, then that's a situation where you roll up stops and you take what's left. It's a very small piece of what's left, but when you have a runner and it's working, you got to let it run. So keep an eye on the monthly pivot. It's going to give us a lot of clues today about what the intentions are of the market going into Friday. All right, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.